Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the LeetCode first problem, two sum problem. That is problem is basically usable problem, and in this problem we see the HashMap approach and the brute force approach. We discussed about the both approaches. So first of all I need to show you the problem and problem concept. Then after I show you the both approaches, how we are going to solve this. So here we can see the questions. First, the two problem, we have given an integer num and the integer target. Return the indexes of two numbers such that they add up to the target. That means we have given one integer array and the another thing one integer is target. We have to find the addition of all element or which are get or equal to our target, then return the both indexes. As example, here we can see the integer element of array is 2, 7, 11 and 15. On other hand, target is 9. Here we can see the 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. We get 9. But the indexes of 2 is 0 and indexes of 7 is 1. So we return the 0 and 1 because we get 0 and 1 indexes to equal to our target. If we are not get return simply 0 comma minus 1. No. If we not get, we return minus minus. In the second example, we can see 3 to 4 and the target is 6 and our output is 1 comma 2. How it's possible? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and the 2 index is 1 and the 4 index is 2. So here the output is 1 comma 2 and here we can see target is 6 and the array of index values are 6 6. So the indexes are 0 comma 1. I hope you understand clearly. So now we have, first we try to solve in a brute force approach, then we move to the HashMap approach. That is the optimal way to solve this problem. So for brute force approach, we simply use two for loops and if we get, we can return our value. So first we start with the first for loop that start with I and goes to array length, and the second for loop that start with I plus 1 and it also goes to array length. I explain you why we are going to I plus 1 in the second loop. If or else we can define one sum, that sum having the norms of I plus norms of j. Basically the question is told the additions, if we get equal to target, then we return. Then here we can say sum is equal to target. Then what we need to return? One array that hold the value of indexes. In the last we need to return. In the last we can't reach that condition, so we basically define that return new int. Here we can't reach. In this only we can solve we fulfill all the conditions. So let's run it. What we get? Let's see it. We can see it. We are passing the all test cases, but that is not optimal. Why it's not optimal? Because here we are using two for loops. Two for loop, it's give the order of n time complex, order of n square time complexity. That's why it's not optimal. We have another way to solve this problem in an optimal way, in an optimal approach. So if you understand, here I sum of I and j, if equal to target, we return I comma j. That is basically the indexes of our arrays that are equal to the target. So now we are moving to the HashMap. Basically HashMap holds two value. If we are study the basic concept of HashMap, you know the HashMap having only two value. So here we give two value, integer and integer. HashMap also get integer comma character, integer comma string, both based on the conditions. So here we basically give the integer and integer because we need two indexes only, integer values only. So here also we apply one for loop that start with 0 and goes with array length that increases 1 by 1. The first thing what I do, I give here one complement. So basically complement I write come, that comes is basically target minus norms of I. I will explain why I write complement target is equal to n minus y. Okay. For the inserting the value in the map, we need to put. So I put map dot put, that put is a function that is used to insert the value inside the hash map. So here I use put. Now we need to two value insert, integer and integer. So we need to insert two values. The first value is nums of I and the second value is index I. Okay. Now we give the condition. If map dot contains key complement, then we return what I need to return, map dot get complement and the I. First I show you this is executed or not, then I explain you each line of the code. You can see it's passed on the all test cases and it is optimal. Why optimal? Because here we use only one for loop, that's why it is optimal. So first of all, complement. In the first case, you can see it, our target is the 9 and our index is the first nums of I. The first nums of I is equal to 2. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, 7. Here we go. Map that contains complement. Where the 7 is in our loop? No, 7 is our not in the loop. Here, okay, 7 is our in the inside the loop. So 7 inside the loop. So return complement. Complements 7 index. What is the 7 index? 1. And what is the and what is the I value? I value is the 0 because first we are in the 0 position, but the complement is in the second position, that means 1 position. So we are here return the 0 comma 1, or here we insert the values. Did you understand what I told? First of all, we need to find the complement. Complements means one value that is equal to target. So target is 9 and complement nums of I is equal to 2. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. We get 7. The 7 is inside our nums. Yes, the 7 is inside our map. The 7 is the first position of the map. So here we are, yes, map contains 7. So we are returning this. If map not contain that value, we are directly goes the out. I hope you understand clearly and no need to revise that problem, and subscribe our channel to get more videos in English. We are also solving the Hindi, but this time we are solving in the English.